Hello, this is my video about my lesson plan and my, let's say, reflection about the lesson plan that I made originally. So in the first place, the first question is, how effective would you write your initial planning? I think my initial planning is um, quite accurate and quite well developed for the level I'm teaching. Maybe, of course, that within the units, I found out some things that I would like to improve or I would like to make, especially more fun for kids. But in general, I think the idea is pretty good for that age level. So my first change or revision or improvement that I would make is that after teaching the sounds, the alphabet sounds, instead of teaching A, and a flashcard, I would use a song. There are lots of songs on the internet which have like the alphabet, but instead of ABC is A. So I think for kindergarten, 4 or 5 years old, a song is more appropriate than like a teacher. As for the diagraphs and blends, for the blends, I would associate some body action. For example, when I teach TH, the, I don't know, clap your hands. I got this advice from my peer that when she observed my lesson, my teaching, the video, she suggested me that instead of teaching the blends, let's say WH and wah, okay, I teach it, but then after that I associated each blend with a body action so the kids can easily remember them easier. Plus, at this age, they really like to move, they really like to do some kind of action with the body, so I think it's a great idea. I got it from her. What parts of the unit plan emerge as critical? Well, when I plan the game, the memory game, so in a second step when teaching CVC words, I thought of a game which, like, the CVC words, they are in pairs upside down, and then the kids, they have to find out where is the pair. Actually, I did it in my school with my kids, and it was a lot of fun, but I had 20 pairs. And 20 pairs means 40 cards. And 40 cards means that it takes very long time until they find all the pairs. So it took maybe too long. And then also the kids, 24 I have students, and they started getting bored and they started like messing around. So I think I should make it shorter. Like, every activity with young kids cannot take more than 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 minutes because they get bored. They have like shorter term periods of attention. So I think that's it. Here, as I said, what I would do as an insight, I learned that it's not easier, more fun to teach the kids the alphabet using a alphabet sound song. Same for the vowels. I think the vowels, they would learn it easier if they learn with a song than me teaching. And for diagraphs and blends, I would use a body actions every time I teach. If I teach, for example, let's say I would teach WH, I would let them bend their knees or clap their hands or do some body action so they can memorize it easier. As for diagraphs, my insight is that I can use memory games, because like I am an English learner as well, and these CVC words sometimes they don't follow any grammatic rule, so it's easier. You have to learn it by memory, so it's playing memory games could help them a lot. So that would be my improvement